Hello friends. Today we are going to visit the Taj of Deccan, the Bibi Maqbara located in the historical city of Aurangabad as part of our Tour India program. The Bibi Maqbara is a tomb located in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. It is the principal monument of the historic city Aurangabad and bears a striking resemblance to the Taj Mahal, the mausoleum of Aurangzeb's mother, Mumtaz. The beautiful mausoleum of Aurangzeb's wife is believed to have been constructed by Prince Azam Shah in memory of his mother Rabi'ul Dorani alias Dilras Banu Begum between 1651 and 1661 AD. As the mausoleum architecturally resembles the Taj Mahal of Agra, it is known as the Taj of Deccan. An inscription on the main entrance door mentions that this mausoleum was designed and erected by Ataullah, an architect, and Hanspat Rai, an engineer. While the main entrance is on the southern side of the outer wall, the three remaining walls are open pavilions which were used as mosque, Diwan-e-Am and Diwan-e-Khas. These buildings contain beautiful paintings of Mughal and Nizam periods. The mausoleum is built at the center of a high platform with 4 minarets at its corners. The lower body and the dome of the building are made up of pure marble, decorated with beautiful carvings, whereas the middle portion is of basaltic trap covered with fine plaster rendered with the marble finish and adorned with stucco work. The grave is simple, devoid of any ornamentation, surrounded with marble screens of exquisite design. The Mughal garden, living water management system, pavements which are ornamented with little kiosks, finely worked brass doors, stucco floral motifs on the shell lime plaster. Bibi Maqbara was the largest structure that Aurangzeb had to his credit. Dilras Banu Begum was buried here under the posthumous title of Rabi'ul Dorani, Rabia of the Age. According to the Tariq Nama of Ghulam Mustafa, the cost of construction of the mausoleum was 6,68,204 rupees. Aurangzeb allocated only 7 lakh rupees for its construction. The marble for this mausoleum was brought from mines near Jaipur. According to Tavernier, around 300 carts laden with marble, drawn by at least 12 oxen, were seen by him during his journey from Surat to Golconda. The mausoleum was intended to rival the Taj Mahal, but the decline in architecture and proportions of the structure, both due to the severe budgetary constraints imposed by Aurangzeb, had resulted in a poor copy of the latter. The mausoleum was built on a high square platform with 4 minarets at its corners, which is approached by a flight of steps from the 3 sides. A mosque is found to the west of the main structure, a later addition by the Nizam of Hyderabad, resulting in closure of the west entrance. Entry to the mausoleum is through a main entrance gate on its south, which has foliage designs on brass plate on wood covering from the exterior. After passing through the entrance, a small tank is provided and a low-profile screen wall leads to the main structure. The screen pathway has a series of fountains at its center. The mausoleum is encased with marble up to the dado level. Above the dado level, it is constructed of basaltic trap up to the base of the dome. The latter is again built of marble. A fine plaster covers the basaltic trap and given a fine polished finish and adorned with fine stucco decorations. The mortal remains of Rabi'ul Dorani are placed below the ground level surrounded by an octagonal jali pierced marble screen with exquisite designs, which can be approached by a descending flight of steps. The roof of this chamber that corresponds to the ground level of the mausoleum is pierced by an octagonal opening and given a low barricaded marble screen. This makes the tomb viewable from the ground level through this octagonal opening. The mausoleum is crowned by a dome pierced with trellis works and accompanying panels decorated with fleur designs. The structure is in the form of a hexagon, its angles ornamented with minarets.